Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add blur in Photopea. So before starting, decide whether you want to blur the entire page, a selection, or a layer only. So yeah, first you will have to select the layer or make a selection. It really depends on you. And for global blur, of course, you will just have to click filter, and then choose you will choose blur, and or you will choose blur gallery, and then you will click filled blur, and then um yeah, it will automatically just blur your entire background. However, if you do want to blur only a certain selection, then you will choose filter again, and then click blur, and then click blur or average or motion blur. It really depends on what kind of blurriness that you prefer. So yeah, that's just basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.